We have here is an Orison 24 plus inch ceiling fans, adjustable in any angle imaginable, rotatable for outdoors. And we're going to show you how easy it is to set up. There are 3 to 4 different ways to hook up, and we're going to show you them all. And what we're going to do is go over the app and go over the remote control as well. This is how it's done. Orison 24 plus inch fan. It's 360-degree, rotatable manually, app-driven, and remote control. Everything is laid out on the table. It has a light, 6 speeds, remote control. With the wind climate speed, it's what the remote control looks like. We'll go over it in a few minutes. It includes 2 AAA batteries, the cradle to hang, and 3 ways to hang the fan. Hanging with the temporary hook. We're going to find a spot and lock down. We have a short bar and a tall bar. Choose the bar you like. A cotlet bolt to the bar down below. Line up and place in the cotlet pin to the bolt. With the screwdriver to the set screw that you add in, lock down. With the cosmetic cover slid on over the bar. Lock into place. With the top hook, repeat the same process. Put the set screw on, lock on. Slide the cotlet bolt through the matching holes. Put on the cotlet pin. Lock down the set screw. The Velcro wraps around the bar. Hang the fan. Place the fan on the hook, and you have the first one hooked up. The fan is adjustable up to 360 degrees. If you want to stop the fan from rotating, on the back is a thumb bolt that locks down into place or loosen up so it could spin freely over here. This is a permanent hook that you can hang up as well and lock down. Now you're able to lock it in permanently for safety. Hanging the gimbal bracket is simply removing all the bolts on the side, lift up and away, and grabbing the bolt with the gimbal. And what you're going to do is put the bolt through with the cotlet pin and lock down. You're going to then assemble the gimbal bracket with the screws, each of the sides, and lock down. With the cosmetic cover on and locking down. With the cap slid on top of the bar, lock into place. With the cosmetic cover slid on. And then the bar and the fan matching hole for hole, loosening up the pin, locking in the bolt, the cotlet pin, and the set bolt, and placing the cover down, and then wrapping the cord with the Velcro. Plugging in your fan for the first time, lights up. App driven, remote control driven. With the remote control, you have the lights off, light on, blue light indicator, speed number 3 of the ceiling fan. It's adjustable to lock into place, facing down. facing any angle possible. Wind control. Press the wind control. Slow, soft, fast, slow, soft, like so. Different kelvins, temperatures. Light has a timer. Shut the fan off by hitting the off button. It has a night mode. And the Kelvin changes in solid presses. Download Fan Lamp Pro and open up. Fan Lamp Pro wants to activate your Bluetooth. Hit the plus. Put a name to it. We're going to put Q. We're going to pair the unit by unplugging and within 5 seconds hit the pair button. Allow to unplug for 5 seconds. Plug in within 5 seconds. Hit the pair button. The light blinks. We are paired. We could dim the light down. Raise the light up. We could change the kelvins. We could do the fan. Night mode. RGB if it has RGB, forward speed, and so forth. Those are the controls of the application. The Orison app controls a number of makes and models, not just the Orison 24-plus-inch fan. For outdoors, in the gazebo, in the day room, nursery room, anywhere protected from the environment, this fan rotates 360 degrees in all directions. It could be permanently mounted. The cord could be cut and wired up. Remote control, hung on a hook, temporarily hung all over. It is a fan for those summer needs, not just for summer, but for days in the cool air, which you want to circulate the hot air around as well with the reversible. I hope you enjoy your Orison fan for outdoor, indoor use. Thank you for viewing.